First, remove the 2 screws on the fuel tank with the help of 2 people. You can lift the fuel tank a bit and then remove the cover. Next, remove the 2 screws in the middle and on both sides. Then take the whole part off. Remove these 2 screws and lower the seat. Retighten the screws under the car. Adjust it and move it back and forth. Remove these 2 screws here.
Install all the brackets roughly here.
6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
Adjust the position and fix screws on both sides. First, adjust the middle screw to an approximate position. Then, thread it through the frame and secure it at the back of the frame with the nuts. The left and right sides are the same.